Hello, everyone, and welcome to Level Up Your English. I'm Emma. In today's video, we are going to practice your English pronunciation together. This is a repeat after me lesson. I will say a sentence, explain it, and then you repeat. Don't worry if it's difficult. Take your time, speak slowly, and do your best. Let's begin. Perfect. Let's start. The first sentence is, "Hello, how are you?" You can use this when you meet someone. Now repeat. Hello, how are you? Very good. Next sentence. I am fine, thank you. This is a common answer. Repeat. I am fine, thank you. Great. Let's continue. What is your name? Use this to ask someone's name. Repeat. What is your name? Nice. Now this one. My name is Emma. Use this to say your name. Repeat. My name is Emma. Perfect. Next sentence. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Very good. Let's go on. Where are you from? Use this to ask about country. Repeat. Where are you from? Good. Next one. I am from Spain. You can change the country. Repeat. I am from Spain. Nice. Now this one. I live in a big city. Use this to talk about where you live. Repeat. I live in a big city. Great. Next sentence. I work every day. Use this to talk about your routine. Repeat. I work every day. Very good. Let's continue. I study English. Very important sentence. Repeat. I study English. Excellent. Next one. I like coffee. Use this to talk about what you like. Repeat. I like coffee. Nice. Now this one. I don't like tea. Use this for things you don't like. Repeat. I don't like tea. Good. Next sentence. Can you help me? Use this when you need help. Repeat. Can you help me? Very good. Now this one. I don't understand. Use this when something is not clear. Repeat. I don't understand. Perfect. Last sentence. Please speak slowly. Very useful when learning English. Repeat. Please speak slowly. Perfect. Very good. You are doing great. All right, let's continue. Now we will practice simple sentences for real-life situations. Listen, understand, and repeat with me. Let's start with a cafe. The sentence is, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Repeat. Can I have a coffee, please? Very good. Next sentence. Can I have a tea, please? Repeat. Can I have a tea, please? Nice. Now this one. I would like a coffee. Repeat. I would like a coffee. Great. Next. Small or large? Repeat. Small or large? Good. Now this one. That's all. Thank you. Repeat. That's all. Thank you. Perfect. Now in a shop. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Very good. Next sentence. It's too expensive. Repeat. It's too expensive. Nice. Now this one. Do you have this in another size? Repeat. Do you have this in another size? Great. Next. I'll take it. Repeat. I'll take it. Good. Now this one. Can I pay by card? Repeat. Can I pay by card? Excellent. Let's continue. What are you doing? Repeat. What are you doing? Very good. Next sentence. I am working. Repeat. I am working. Nice. Now this one. I am going home. Repeat. I am going home. Great. Next. See you later. Repeat. See you later. Good. Last sentence. Have a nice day. Repeat. Have a nice day. Amazing. Let's continue. Now we are going to practice more simple sentences. These will help you speak in everyday situations. All right, the next sentence is, I wake up early. You can use this to talk about your morning. Now repeat. I wake up early. Perfect. Let's continue. This one is very useful. I go to work. Repeat with me. I go to work. Very good. Next sentence. I eat breakfast. Simple and very common. Repeat. I eat breakfast. Nice. Now this one. I drink water. Use this in daily life. Repeat. I drink water. Great. Let's go on. I watch TV. Very common sentence. Repeat. I watch TV. Perfect. Next one. I listen to music. You can use this every day. Repeat. I listen to music. Very good. All right, next sentence. I go to sleep late. Use this at night. Repeat. I go to sleep late. Good. Now this one. I am at the gym. Very useful. Repeat. I am at the gym. Nice. Next sentence. I am with my friends. Use this when you are not alone. Repeat. I am with my friends. Great. Let's continue. I am busy today. Very useful sentence. Repeat. I am busy today. Excellent. Next one. I am free now. Opposite meaning. Repeat. I am free now. Very good. Now this one. I feel good. Simple and positive. Repeat. I feel good. Nice. Next sentence. I feel tired. Very common. Repeat. I feel tired. Good. All right, next. I am learning English. Very important sentence. Repeat. I am learning English. Perfect. Last one. I want to improve. Very strong sentence. Repeat. I want to improve. Amazing. Perfect. Great job today. You did really well. Keep practicing every day, even just a few minutes. Little by little, your English will improve. Remember, the key is repetition and consistency. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Level Up Your English. We have many more videos to help you speak English with confidence. And if you want to improve faster, watch the next lesson and practice again. See you in the next video.